What's up, guys? So we're going to go ahead and cut up some pumpkin and butternut squash. We will also cut up some potatoes, get those going. Here you see the process of cutting those up, taking the outer layer skin off, and go ahead and dicing those up so that way they can cook fast and easily. Didn't want to take a long time cooking this, so I went ahead and cut that up. Then we have some chickpeas that we went ahead and washed, cut out, take it out the can.
At Javed'skitchen,
and cut up
follow
also
now.
some okra. Next, we're going to go ahead and place the butternut squash, potatoes, the pumpkin inside some water. Boil those halfway, don't cook them all the way. Then get you a hot skillet, pour some curry powder in that skillet. Pour your chickpeas in that curry. And then we're going to go ahead and add some onions, some scallion. We're going to go ahead and add some onion powder, some black pepper, and there you see the coconut milk going down. Add a little bit of butter to that. Next, we're going to go ahead and mash up some potatoes and some pumpkin together with a little bit of the coconut milk. Reason why we want to mash it up because we want to get that into the gravy. It adds another layer of flavor to the curry chickpea. And then we're going to go ahead and pour that mashed potato and mashed pumpkin mixture down into the chickpea curry. Then we're going to go ahead and stir that around so that all the flavors can blend together and mesh well. Then we'll add a little cayenne pepper for some kick. Next thing we'll do, we'll stir that around, let that simmer for about another 3 to 5 minutes. We'll also add a little bit more coconut milk to that so that way the sauce doesn't get too thick. And then we're going to go ahead and get you another pan with some oil, add some curry powder, and we'll add our butternut squash, our pumpkin, and our okra to this pot. And we're going to go ahead, stir that around. Our season is adobo, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And that's it for that. And then here we go with the plating. We're going to go ahead and just get a round plate. Put that thing in there just like that. Oh, man, it's making me hungry all over again, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe and share this post. Appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a wonderful day. And here we have the finished product: curry chickpea with butternut squash and pumpkin and okra. This is a vegan dish. One love.